Do you want to start your collection of Copic markers? In this video, I'll share some tips to choose the first essential colors for making your basic color palette. I have this package of Copic markers, and to be honest, I don't use all of them. So if you want to start to build your collection to do some manual renderings, there are two important things to keep in mind. The first is some basic knowledge of color theory. This is great to keep in mind because when you grab two markers and combine them, you will have an idea of which color to expect. The second thing to keep in mind is having an idea of what you want to draw. For example, in this drawing, I included the textures I use more often, so the colors I will select will be based on that. In the description there are links to videos about rendering each texture mentioned in this video, and links to the tools and materials used to create this drawing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching!